Good morning.
Hi.
Advent day 14, and here we are with a favourite today. It's our Cowhide Belts, and this year we're doing 3 colours. It's a first for us, I believe, 3 colours.
Yeah, I agree.
Because they're very, very popular, and we have 2 exclusive to Owen Barry colours, cowhide prints, and a very popular classic Come Back Again. So you're going to tell them a bit about that one first?
So this is the Osiris, which is a leopard print. And as you can see here, you've got a kind of a creamy white base layer with the kind of tan and then the black running through it to give it the leopard print look. Obviously not leopard, it is cowhide, byproduct of the food industry. And then you've got it with a chocolate suede backing, a nickel plate and a brown veg tan keeper. So yeah,
I tell you what, that was hellfire. That was impressive. I just kept my mouth shut.
I know. I was impressed with that. I thought you'd be like, yeah. What about this? What about this?
I was well impressed with that.
Thank you.
Come on, I'm going to be fun.
I've been practicing at home.
Oh, well, there you go then. Right, she's after me job, folks. She's after me job. So I've got the other 2. Funnily enough, I can't get them to fit me. Although the extra large, did you say? I was so impressed. I didn't hear what you said.
No, there is 4 sizes.
And this year they're doing it. We're doing an extra large. I don't know who they are.
I don't even think we've told them the price yet, though, have we?
I don't know.
No.
Oh, you're not as professional then.
No.
So I know the price this year. It's 79 down to 59. It's a £20 saving.
It is indeed.
It is indeed.
Right, back to the other 2 colours.
Right. Okay. Thank you. So tan Zebrini with a ginger back, and my favourite, which is the Charterhouse, and the Charterhouse is a brown and black kind of natural fleck. It isn't a print, it is a
so you want to be individual.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. She's taking the words out of my mouth again. I tell you what, that's all right. That's all right.
I just thought I'd get my own back.
Yeah. So 3 colours, and this is Charterhouse, tan Zebrini, and Osiris. 4 sizes, small, medium, large and extra large, although there is a lot of tolerance in them because there is 5 whole...
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes, and obviously that gives you a fair amount of
flexibility there,
expansion. Not that you might need it, but a bit of expansion for some of us is well.
It's key.
Well, it's key. It's key.
It fits through trousers very nicely.
Yeah. So obviously through belt loops or over a dress or a shirt or anything like that. It's an all year round staple in your wardrobe, fashion accessory. Right, I think we flogged that one to death, don't you? But they are very
best.
We gave it our best. God, I'm hot. Have we got some heating on in here? I thought we couldn't afford the heating. Whew. Right, I think that's us for today, isn't it?
Yeah. Have a good day, folks.
We shall see you tomorrow. Have a good day, folks.